Hi friends, let me show you my new Fortune Cat basin faucet. This is a nice black metal faucet. It comes with the hoses that you need to connect it. This is the accessory that will help you hook it to the top of the washroom or wherever you want to install it. It comes with the plate that will hold the faucet like this, and some extra plastic accessories so water won't flow here. And the nice thing is that you open it and close it like this, but you can arrange it however you want. So I think it's a nice faucet. It looks very nice, and let's install it and see how it looks. Friends, as you can see, installation is super easy. Just to put the under sink screw, and that's it. You can have two different settings and you can move it around wherever you need it. Okay. So easy installation, great service, easy use, and perfect. Very nice view also. Thank you. Really recommend it.